Now, with respect to Genesis 1:1, I think that it does imply Creatio ex Nihilo. And that is because the verse is neither a dependent clause, meaning when God created the world in the beginning, the world was without form and void, nor is it merely a chapter title summarizing the contents of the chapter. Rather, it is an independent clause connected to the second verse by the conjunction vav, and it describes what happened prior to God's turning the earth, as you described, into a habitable place for mankind. So in this opening passage, God creates the physical universe, the heavens and the earth. He transcends it, he brings it into being by his almighty power, and there is nothing besides God that initially exists. So I think that the verse does imply creation out of nothing.